Hi dear students, so I hope all of you are doing good. So we have a very beautiful question in front of you. So I will first read through the question, and if you have a doubt, okay, you can comment on the comment box. Okay, here we have a particle which is moving in such a way that, okay, its position coordinates, okay, they are changing in xy as 2 meter, 3 meter at time t is equal to 0. So this means that at a time t is equal to 0, its x coordinate is 2 meter and its y coordinate is 3 meter. Now they are saying that at time t is equal to 2 seconds, its x coordinate changed to 6 meter and the y coordinate changed to 7 meter. Now after time t is equal to 5 seconds, the x coordinate again changed to 13 meter and the y coordinate changed to 14 meter. Now the question here asked is, what is the average velocity vector when the time changes from 0 to 5 seconds? So this is a beautiful question. We can do this. So to explain this, I have drawn a coordinate system here for you to understand. So initially you can see this was the position of this particle. Okay, so its x coordinate was 2 meter and the y coordinate was 3 meter. Okay, so you can verify that. Okay, now after time 2 seconds, once 2 seconds is elapsed, its coordinate changed to y coordinate changed to 7 meter and the x coordinate, you can see here x coordinate for this one is 6 meter. Now after that, the x coordinate 5 seconds it changed to 13 meter and its y coordinate changed to 14 meter. Okay, now they are asking you to calculate average velocity vector. So we should know what is average velocity vector, how to calculate that. Okay, so let's try to do that. So I am writing that average velocity vector is equal to average velocity vector is equal to average velocity vector is equal to what it would be. What is the formula? Are you remembering it? The net displacement vector, the net displacement, we know that displacement is a vector quantity divided by time taken, okay. So net displacement is what actually here? We know that net displacement means final position minus initial position. So here how I can represent the final position, sir? So final position I can represent it as, I will put a bracket and represent it. So the final position here is 13i, okay, plus I can say 14j, correct? And similarly, can you tell me what is the initial position? Initial position I can represent it as, so x coordinate is 2, so I will put 2i and y coordinate is 3, so I will put 3j. So this is my initial position. So the net displacement is final position minus initial position. So let me write that for your understanding. I will add one more paper if it is required. Okay, so let me write net displacement is final position, final p, that means final position, minus initial p, initial position, divided by time taken for this change, time taken. Okay, so the final position I can write the vector here, that is 13i plus 14j. So let me write that 13i plus 14j, okay, minus initial one is what? Listen, 2i plus 3j. So I will write that 2i plus 3j, correct, divided by time taken for this change. So that is 5 minus 0. Okay, so I hope until this it is clear for everyone. So we'll do the calculation here in the next page. Okay, so let's say 13i plus 14j. So 13i minus 2i would be how much? I can say that would be 11i. Okay, I can write that as 11i. Okay, plus What is coming there? 14j minus 3j. So 14j minus 3j. So 14 minus 3 is how much again? 11. So I can write it as 11j. Okay. So I can write it as 11j. Okay. I hope it is clear. Divided by the time taken. So divided by the time taken, that is 5. So this is my expected answer for this question. That is, this would be my average, okay, average velocity vector, average velocity vector for this particular movement. Okay, so let's see whether it is present in the options. Yeah, in options it is present like this. So option 4 is my correct answer. So you can see here 11 they have taken as a common outside. So even we can write that here. You can take 11 as a common here. So let me take 11. Then it will become 11 by 5. Okay, in bracket you can mention I plus j. Okay, so I hope now this is matching exactly our options. Okay, so I hope you understood the question very clearly. It's a very direct question. So if you have liked the explanation, please subscribe our channel. Okay, and if you are so passionate to become a doctor, and if you are facing difficulties in physics and chemistry, please call us at Brainiac's classes. The number you can see in the screen. Surely Brainiac's class will help you to improve your physics and chemistry. Okay, thank you.